just bugging.
Hey man, where are we headed today?
We are headed to the VDUB factory of Ocala's 10th anniversary celebration today.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a late start, so about 5:15. Should have been out of here earlier.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have a good time today. Hopefully the weather sticks on our side today and holds off until we get out of there.
Yeah.
So let's go see if we can find some parts and see a bunch of great people today. Jawbreaker will be there. There'll be a lot of Just Buggin cars there, and let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, man. So we got some food, but we got caught up at a train crossing.
Yeah. And we had to we screwed up and didn't get change.
Yeah, so we had to get some change too.
Without giving change.
No. Yeah, and I think I spilled a little coffee on my shirt. I hope it's not stained. But we're taking an alternate route to the VDUB factory, so we'll be there soon. Well, we're here, and there's only one other person over in front of the collision center where we set up a couple VDUB factories ago. But yeah, we're here. You hear the train, and we're setting up. So hey, man, so we're setting up.
Yep, got our spot.
Yeah.
You can shut this door.
Got our little table. Got our little canopy. Got some people over there, some people over there, setting up. Hey man, so we got Frank right here.
Yeah, that's our neighbor today.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of a picture?
Yeah.
Well, here, check out these pictures. You see these pictures?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful. Brand new top.
Yeah.
You know, the thing is beautiful. It looks brand new, right? Well, we drive 140 miles there and back. First we get there, the lady walks out the door and she says, "Oh, I'm sorry, we sold it already."
What? What the f? It's like, why didn't you text me?
So we asked, why didn't you text us, email us, messenger, something? I said, we just drove 140 miles. We couldn't get here any faster. We texted you and said we're on our way. She says, well, I'm sorry, I sold it. And then we got to looking at it and I asked her, I said, when did you take the pictures? She says, them are the pictures of when I bought it.
It's like, it's like, why not take pictures right now?
Rusty Pete, faded Pete. But did you take pictures of it again?
No, I didn't take pictures of it again. But you did see how good it looked. I mean, this thing looked brand friggin' new. And here's the ad. The ad says has California racing motor. Has dual exhaust. That's all it has, and you can't even get the back piece off. See this piece? Yeah. That piece has to come out. You have to wiggle it past the bumper and everything to get it past the tailpipes.
Huh. Oh, man.
So we drove all the way there and back. The top is completely faded out. All the seats are faded out.
That's
yeah, that's happened to me. I once almost bought my first Cuda.
That's crazy, but, you know.
A 71 Cuda needed the roof reskin. The whole thing was there, 383. And I said, oh, okay, you got to find the title. I'll run back, get the cash, and I come right back. And I come back, and he changed his mind and wouldn't sell it to me.
Oh, yeah. Good old Barracuda there?
Oh, yeah,
like an old Barracuda there,
yeah. That's about $1,000 rear window, too.
I was going to say, if
Hey, but man, what we got right here?
We got our setup here. Yep, we get our first merch stand.
It's sweet, because the crazy thing is, you know, we weren't even planning on having merch at the VDUB.
No, we were going to do it at Buggies on the beach first.
Yeah, but the merch came sooner,
yeah.
And, you know, we ended up buying a little canopy.
We said, what better place to start it than where we started Just Buggin?
Yeah.
At our first sponsor.
Now, the funny thing is, I'm just going to tell you now, we wouldn't have picked orange. What's the story behind this orange tablecloth?
Oh, yeah. I injured my left eye, a flash burn, welding too long, and reflection was coming from behind my helmet. But anyways, I bought eye patches, and this, tablecloth came in instead of my eye patches. And
then we told them, hey, we would like to, send it back because we didn't pay for it. It was $15. Yeah, and then the eye patches were only $5, and they said, no, you can keep it, and we'll send your eye patches.
Yeah, so my eye healed, and I haven't needed the eye patch now. So
yeah, so thank you, Amazon.
Pirate today.
No.
You know how to fix welder flash if you do get welder flash at night and you can't sleep?
Yeah.
You know how to fix it?
What?
Take a potato and cut it in slices.
Yeah.
Put the potato slice right on your eye. It'll take the sting away. Because it'll drive you crazy. It feels like somebody's got Sandman in your eye.
Oh, it hurts.
But as you see, Frank's all set up, and it looks like Bert just arrived, and maybe Scott or someone else. I don't know, but it's starting to move.
Yeah.
We'll see some more people come in soon.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, we thought everybody was going to be set up.
Hold out for us today, so.
Yeah, I hope it don't rain.
Yeah, I think it'll be a great day.
Yeah, come on, get some merch.
Hey,
We got canopy and all set up.
don't worry.
Look who it is. Hey.
Bert.
Yeah, Bert.
Hey, man. Food first. Remember that. Food first. Then parts.
Batman
Food goes first. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing?
Doing pretty good.
Happy 10th anniversary.
Yeah,
Yes, absolutely. It absolutely is.
We kind of came here early. We figured we'd be fighting for a space, but we were here.
Yeah, that's okay.
We were the second ones this time, but it'll be crowded. We weren't the first.
Who was the first one?
The guy that got the corner I was.
Hey man, so we're just chilling here at the Just Buggin booth. Who's off in the distance, man?
I think it's Michael Shores. It was a caddy.
Yeah, with Olivia.
Yeah, Olivia. Wasn't it just her birthday?
Walking through, man. Walking through.
Wasn't it just her birthday?
Yeah. A couple weeks ago. Yeah, happy birthday. Also, I mean, if you guys didn't know, Michael Shores bought Sergio's caddy.
Oh, yeah. So that might be it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
That's awesome.
It's getting really misty.
You got to be the only one with an air-cooled motor in the front of it anywhere you go with one of those.
Yeah, I think that's what's on it. But damn, it's getting really misty.
Yeah. Check out and see what we got. I mean, not a lot of people here right now, but
look, the bus just showed up. Yeah, we see the blue bus over there from Bug Jam and from the last VDUB event.
Yeah, they did say there was going to be some rain today, but I got until 30% chance, so I think we are good here. But it's happening in Orlando right now. Fred said it's raining right now where he's at.
Hey man,
DJ
Dave Wave setting up.
Getting going.
What's up, man?
There you go, kiss stick.
Yeah, what's up, man?
I got the kids tattoo on my back.
Hell yeah. What you guys doing, man?
Pretty good.
Man. I gotta go find the restroom.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, oh no. Looks good. Oh yeah.
It's solid too.
Yeah. Happen here at the VDUB factory.
In, man.
Yeah.
The fog, man.
But Bert's Beetle's looking good, man.
Oh yeah, he said he's about to cut and buff just like I'm doing on Pee Wee, the 61 rag cut.
Which you guys will see in a future video.
Yeah.
So hey, let's go check out some parts while we got a chance. They got a bunch of new stuff back in stock.
Yeah.
Got the nice wood motor here. Got the notch back. Got the coals. We'll come back and get some before the end of the day. Yeah, ooh, nice running course. Yeah, VDUB factory, link in the description. Yeah.
Bert's done an awesome job on bottom. We'll see you, man.
Stay tuned for the tunes, man.
Let's go look at some parts.
Yeah, come on.
Description.
See what that is?
Yeah.
Goes over the front windshield, yeah.
I missed the 78 with the fender skirts on it.
Yeah. Back in our older videos.
Huh? Yeah.
We'd have to make brackets. Oh. Look who it is. The Banana Beast. What's up? Where are you going to park?
Where can I park?
Park it back here. Okay. Hey, that was a little scary.
Yeah,
He's dipping off.
You did good with the clutch there. Thank God for 1,700 foot-pound pressure plate. Oh, your headlights.
Hey, that's sweet. That's nice. Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That is
Sweet.
cool. Oh, look, Mom's name.
Yep, and you get Bert.
Yeah.
even made it, Trina.
Yeah, you even
you
made it.
Got to put Banana-rama.
Banana rail.
You want to put that under the wipers?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's sweet.
Man, it was so damn fun.
Banana Beast.
Oh, I
man.
know.
Imagine it come out of nowhere.
Yeah, it just overtook us.
Now a little bit.
Oh, look who's coming.
Hey, look who's coming. Michael Shores, Dune Buggy brothers with Olivia.
What's up, man? Yeah?
Mini bikes.
Yeah, mini bike crew. Woohoo! Floor's coming along. Look at the roof, the back. Yeah, it's looking sweet, man. Banana Beast right here. We
Yeah, it's
never
here.
put a QR code on it. Gotta put one on it.
Put a sticker
It's got one on the motor. It needs one on the car.
That'll work.
Sweet, man. So yeah, guys, if you guys ever see this vehicle at a show, walk up, scan it, and you can go to the playlist section on the YouTube channel and find all the videos done on this vehicle. And you can do that with all the Just Buggin' vehicles. Banana Beast. What's up? No, I'm gonna burn. I got a big hat though in the car. Nice. Oh,
Girl.
I think either that's a wet tire or he's leaking something. Hey, look, we got Jeff.
Here comes Jeff.
Oh!
Go get that. That needs adjusting. That's gonna need adjusting.
Got out of the strap.
That guy on a little bike.
What's up, man?
The Trophy Car comes here, dog. It's right here.
Yeah.
Just Buggin'.
What's up, guys? What's up, man? Jeff's bus.
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
That is sweet, man. Hey, look, Pete's. Oh, damn. What's up, man?
I sold some for 80 this morning, bought some for 100 already. I'm already down.
We did oh God, you should have seen when we did the 24-hour.
Yeah. Look what we got here, man. What's up? What's up, man? You go down there and follow him. Looks so good, man.
I'm a little late.
That's always fine.
I love that, man. You're surprised to think that.
So nice seeing it again.
Glad you could make it.
Yeah.
I was kind of worried.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I can't.
There was mist and shit too. Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna
be nice.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be like till 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Hell yeah.
Sweet.
Glad to see it, man. Glad you got to come.
Get the interior done yet?
Oh, it's fine.
But still, it's got the paint on the inside
Yeah.
too. It's all original. Sweet.
2 hours and 14 minutes. Running good.
That's good.
That's exactly what I wanted you for.
Feels like I should have more throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe by this time this cable is stretching.
That's what I'm thinking, maybe.
An 8mm. Get you some needle nose. An 8mm and loosen that, and then pull this out a little bit.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
there's play in it.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels like I should have more throttle. The lights a little bad. I put the running and brake up there and the directional down there.
Oh, okay.
Just for now.
How many miles do you think you got, man?
I don't know, 100.
Yeah,
I
that
wasn't
can
here
be
for 2
done.
months.
Yeah.
I was in New York for 2 months, so I just got back Sunday.
Well, when you bring it back, we'll drop it, do a valve adjustment.
Jeff just happened to pull up in his little buggy he's been working on and stalled it, couldn't crank it back up, so we had to push start it. Wish I would have got that on film. That is a really cool starting stand, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Wonder what the shifter's for. I think that's just for the looks, maybe,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. It's neat.
Yeah. Wonder what he's asking for it.
Oh, he's selling it?
I don't know. I would imagine.
That's cool. Got all the shit. Got some pop outs.
$100. That's the original one right there. Not a reproduction.
Hey, that's nice.
How much is he asking for the stand?
He's asking $650.
Nice stand.
It really is.
Starting station.
Yeah, that battery's like $200 almost now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The batteries are going through the roof.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's how you control the throttle.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. That is badass.
Man, that thing looks so sweet.
Yeah, it does. Look at that.
Ain't that trophy car sweet?
Hey, man. Who's here?
Shawmaker.
Yeah. Yeah, we just saw Olivia too.
Oh, Remy?
Talked to him for a bit.
73 Super Beetle.
Yeah.
He Raphael took out his California windows and put Vento windows and stock Super
Which is
Beetle
sweet.
windows back in it. Yeah.
Better to have that. But hey, look.
Happy with that.
Look who's here. Look, we got Bentley right here. What's up, man? Look, check out the signs. Look at that. That's sweet.
Even busy.
But yeah,
Yeah, it really is.
that's what it's all about.
Check them out. Links in the description.
VW crazy. Yeah, we got you do Just Buggin Life and
What you doing, Just Bug?
oh, what you doing, Just Buggin? Yeah.
Hey man, how are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not too bad.
That's good.
There's no camera on the end of that selfie stick.
Oh, there is a camera. Some people will say it looks like a toothbrush.
Oh yeah, it kind of does. We'll put it up to your mouth and pretend it's a vape pen or something.
Yeah. Hello. Pretty good. How about you?
That's good. Hey Dalton.
What's up, man? What's up, man? Did you bring the gear? Hey!
barb on the spare tire. Look at the cutout for the. I know you've seen it before, but the cutout for the spare tire.
Oh yeah, like that Brazilian diesel bus we were in. Yeah,
That's cool.
Look, it's just cut out back there too.
Oh shit.
That's why
That
you
is
run
cool.
the motor back here. So that's all a joke, right?
That's all a joke.
Yeah.
He's got two of them.
In case I break down,
Happy birthday!
if I break down, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, belated is what I said.
Yeah, he never got a chance to say.
So where are you going Friday night?
Hey, you see who's here, right?
Huh?
The Ghia.
Oh yeah.
I just talked to him.
I see you got a shifter back in there. Looking good.
That's cool, huh? Seeing a lot of things lately.
Yeah.
Coming out of the woodwork.
Yeah. That's cool.
That's a lot of.
Look who's here, guys. What's up, man? Hey, look, a beer delivery. What's up, man?
It's from a German car.
Yeah. Look at that.
VDUB stands for beer more. Right now, I don't know.
You lost it.
Around the corner, man. Everybody's gonna think you're rich.
They're gonna go
They're
like
gonna think you're
that.
rich. That's an M car, bro. Old and used. Yeah, that's the worst part.
Thank you.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a sweet ride. Oh yeah, sweet ride.
That's them cars.
So we just ran into Sandy. He came over and talked to us. Get his Dune Buggy on video. It's somewhere over there. Same with Jeff. Just talked to him. Talked to Jawbreaker and Levi over there. And we got Dan chilling here. Hey man, saw you brought the Ghia over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's sweet. So I saw you did a little DIY to the shifter. Changed what, a shifter bushing?
Yeah, shifter bushing.
But she's treating you good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, you know, I got little wiring work needs to be done.
Yeah.
My blinker stopped working,
Oh, damn.
and the windshield wiper. It's always something, you know.
Hey,
There we go.
looking sweet.
There we go.
Nice, man. Glad to see you made it out here. Hey, man. So what we got?
Well, we're gonna get this. We'll put this on the 66 wannabe, just
Yeah.
like on this shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you, man. Have a safe ride. Yeah, look, they do got food. What's up, man? You got any donuts left? No donuts left. Oh. Came a little too late.
Mom, don't get it.
No, she don't get no donut. doing?
Hey! You just bugging around, ain't you?
Yeah, I am. What you doing, man? What you doing? Filming? You got it? You got the part? Nice.
See them wheels? I like them wheels.
Yeah, those are sweet.
Nice. If I get a deeper disc wheel in the back,
Yeah,
those are nice.
that'd be sweet.
I think those might accent it. I like the white,
That's sweet.
I like them wheels.
Man, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
He bought them wheels here.
What's up, man? Hey, man. So, what are you doing?
We're about to vote for the People's Choice Award.
Yeah. Who you voting for?
Yeah, dang. The banana bees.
Yeah. Who else?
No, I'm just voting for the banana bees.
Oh,
Nobody else.
twice. Oh, wow.
No, all for Dan.
Nice.
Dan the man.
He deserves it.
Yes, he does.
So you ready for your event? Buggies on the Beach?
I am ready.
Yeah? It's gonna be fun. Yeah.
We're actually pretty close. Got all the merchandise, got all the awards.
Yeah.
Shirts.
We just ordered some new merch, you know, from Rebels Navy
I had
again.
to lay the field out.
Yeah. All we got now, I think, left to get is a banner. We'll be good. Yeah, for our little booth.
That's your logo on the banner. That looks good.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
Vote for the People's Choice. There you go.
Yeah? Okay.
Voted.
Hell yeah.
Here's Dalton. Banana bees. You can do it.
You want me to do it?
Who you been in there?
Dan.
Who's he?
Banana
Dan.
bees.
Banana bees. Hey, look at that.
I'm trying to know who's getting it, so I
What you got there? Look how spaced out that is.
Yeah, look at that. That's sweet.
That'll work, right?
We both got big feet. I got size 12.
I got 13.
I even complained about it. I have size 12 too. I complained
I
about
cut
it.
that pedal down.
You know what I do? I also take a drill bit and drill right there. On the end of that, drill a hole through it, and then you take baling wire and you wrap your clutch cable around it. You can do it by yourself. You don't have to worry about trying to get it all in there, and all of a sudden your clutch cable comes back off. You loop a piece of baling wire on it, never comes off, then you just mount it up and it's easy. You adjust your clutch, you're done.
What do you think, man? I mean, I can go for 3.5.
And it's red,
How much
so
is it?
what?
Oh, shit.
So what?
That'll work in there. Then I
It'd
saw
be ketchup and mustard.
That's all right.
Ketchup and mustard.
That's cool.
Ketchup and mustard, that's cool. You got that on film.
Yeah.
That'll solve it.
Okay.
Do it.
Should I do it?
Yeah, and then
I'll sell my MSD.
sell your other stuff.
Yeah.
You should get it. Yeah. And then you don't have no shipping or nothing. It's sitting right here.
All right, come on, let's go. Look at some food. Yeah. Thanks, man.
I gotta get home. Check out my incense. We got you over here, Just Buggin. We got all the scents you want. Yeah. You want to smell good?
Hey guys, it's Dalton.
And G-Man.
Yeah, I mean, wasn't that a great time, man?
Oh man, it was nice seeing all our friends, you know. Got the Banana Beast debut.
Yeah, same with Brian's
Brian
1970
and the
trophy car. Yeah, and then Jeff was there with the 71 Ghia, which was great. Olemi was there, as you guys saw.
With the Dune Buggy.
Yeah, Sandy with the Dune Buggy. I mean, there was tons of Just Buggin customers, which is great seeing you guys get out there with your
VWs.
VWs.
All our friends, you know, you got Jolliver there.
Got Type 4 Revolutions Jeff. Dub World. There's a bunch of different great people that we saw.
Too many to list.
Yeah, I mean, Michael Shores,
Jeff,
Michael Shores, Olivia. I mean, I could just keep going on and on. But yeah, guys, it was great running into all those people. And I mean, if you guys think that's it, just stay tuned until part 2. There's a lot of unexpected things that go on in part 2. Like let's just say me and Michael Shores go off-roading. Yeah. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you know, I know it's a long one, but please, if you guys like to support the channel and enjoy all our content, want to keep seeing more videos, definitely hit that subscribe button, right?
Please do,
yeah, I mean, it helps us out. You know, it's free. Just make an account.
You enjoy what we're putting out.
Yeah, drop a like, comment what your favorite part of the video is. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a Just Buggin' of a day.
And keep on bugging.